With the melody of bird song in the air, I, Gunjarayachi from class 10C, welcome respected principal ma'am, respected teachers and fellow students to our morning assembly, where each moment is a chance to shine and inspire. First, I would like to call Parvasati for spreading some positivity and wisdom at our assembly.
A very pleasant good morning to respected principal ma'am, teachers and one and all present over here. Today's thought is, perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can carry excellence. I repeat today's thought, perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection, we can carry excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, Par, for such a motivational thought. Now, to enhance our vocabulary, I would like to call Shubh Shukla for the word of the day.
Good morning everyone, I am here to tell you the word of the day. And the word of the day is asperity, which means something or someone harsh in condition. For example, we can use this in sentence as he has told us that he has spoken with some asperity in his voice. Thank you.
You sure? Now, I would like to call Abhay for updating us with the news.
Respected principal ma'am, teachers and one and all present here. Today I am Abhay Singh Thakur of class 10C standing before you all to deliver some news. Global news. 6 days ago, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky in an exhibit in the memory of children killed in Russia's invasion. Later, Vladimir Zelensky said, if India changes its attitude towards Russia, the war will end. Some national news. The day before yesterday, President Draupadi Murmu speaks up upon the Kolkata rape and murder case to PTI and expressed how dismayed and horrified she is. She said that no civilized society can allow daughters and sisters to be subjected to such atrocities. Some city news. On 5th September 2024, the President of our country will be awarding the teachers who have performed excellent work in their field, and Mr. Madhav Patel of New Government Secondary School, Lidhora of our district has been selected for National Teachers Award. The Collector of Damoh and the President of District Education Committee, Madhya Pradesh, IAS Sudhir Kumar Kocha has ordered St. Norbert Senior Secondary School to pay back 3.32 crore rupees they have charged over last 4 years from the parents. Thank you.
Updating us with the latest news. Now, for some amazing and interesting facts, I would like to call Krati and Ayush.
A very warm good morning to one and all present here. And I am Kratya Sati. We are going to share some interesting science facts with you all. The human stomach can dissolve with oxygen is produced by oceans. Helium works against the gravity. Animals use Earth's magnetic field to know their location. There are more trees on the planet than stars in the solar system. There is no flavor in food without saliva. It takes 8 minutes for light to travel from the sun to Earth. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Like fingerprints, everyone's tongue print is different. If you sneeze too hard, you could fracture a rib. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.
Thank you, Krati and Ayushi, for such amazing facts. Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. With this quote, I would like to end today's assembly activity. Thank you everyone for listening to us.
Today's assembly activity is prepared in the guidance of respected Asha ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Now I would like to hand over this mic to respected Yutu ma'am for today's thought.
Morning respected principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear students. So today my thought of the day is success is not being about the best, but about being better than yesterday. I repeat my thought, success is not about being the best, but about being the better you were yesterday. It means सफलता का मतलब सर्वश्रेष्ठ नहीं है बल्कि कल से बेहतर होना है. At last, I wish you good luck to you all as you move to the next stage of your life. Thank you.